5 ways to say thank you without saying thank you. Want to sound more natural when showing gratitude in English, but stuck saying thank you over and over. Let's learn 5 awesome phrases to say it like a native. Practice with me now. Speaking practice. 1. I really appreciate it. This is a warm, versatile phrase to show gratitude in a heartfelt way. Use it when someone helps you out, like with a favor or a gift. Example. You gave me a ride home. I really appreciate it. Now you say it with me. Ready? Go. You gave me a ride home. I really appreciate it. Great job. Say it again, just a little faster. Let's try another. Ready? Go. You helped with my project. I really appreciate it. Awesome work. You're sounding so natural. 2. You're a lifesaver. This fun, casual phrase is perfect when someone saves you from a tough situation. It's great for friends or informal moments. Example. You lent me your charger. You're a lifesaver. Now you say it with me. Ready? Go. You lent me your charger. You're a lifesaver. Nice one. Say it again with some energy. Let's do another. Ready? Go. You fixed my mistake. You're a lifesaver. You're killing it. Keep that vibe going. 3. That means a lot. This phrase shows deep gratitude and highlights how much someone's action matters to you. It's perfect for emotional or meaningful moments. Example. You supported me. That means a lot. Now you say it with me. Ready? Go. You supported me. That means a lot. Perfect. Say it again, nice and clear. One more time. Ready? Go. You called to check on me. That means a lot. So good. You're ready to use this in real life. If you're practicing out loud with me, you're doing amazing. Keep it up. And hey, hit that subscribe button so we can keep practicing real English together. Let's make your speaking skills shine. 4. I owe you one. This casual phrase means you're grateful and will return the favor later. It's playful and works great with friends. For bigger favors, say, I owe you big time, to add emphasis. Let's say it like natives do. Ready? Go. You covered for me. I owe you one. You got it. Say it again with a smile. Now the variation. Ready? Go. You saved my project. I owe you big time. Awesome. You're sounding like a pro. 5. You're the best. This enthusiastic phrase shows gratitude and makes someone feel special. It's perfect for casual, friendly moments. Add seriously for more impact, like, you're seriously the best. Let's say it together. Ready? Go. You helped me study. You're the best. Love that energy. Say it again, nice and loud. Now with the variation. Ready? Go. You fixed my car. You're seriously the best. Nailed it. You're ready to charm everyone with this one. You're already sounding more fluent just by practicing with me today. How cool is that? Hit like, drop a comment, and share this with a friend to keep the practice going. Proud of you. Keep shining. See you in the next one.